Hello guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to share you some important points about getting a job in Germany and applying to job in Germany. Let's dive right into the video. Point number 1, remember that in Germany it is a trust-based system. So if you put that you know SQL, Python, Excel on your CV, they trust that you know it. Always back it up, otherwise you are under huge pressure and trouble in the probation period even if you get the job. Right? Don't lie on your CV. If you know a certain skill, make sure you are at a certain level. Otherwise, don't bother even including it on your CV. Point number 2. This is also pretty interesting to know. Normally in Germany, there are multiple rounds of interviews in an interview process. I am saying this with respect to all jobs, more so with focus on data related jobs. The first round is usually a HR round. It's more a behavioral round to get to know you and your experiences. This is usually followed by a managerial round where you'll be having an interview with your immediate hiring manager. This will be a mix of a little bit of technical, experience based, and behavioral questions. After this, usually they give you a case study. This could technically be a take home case study where you get 48 or 72 hours to solve a technical task. You could use SQL, Python, up to you what tools you use, even a visualization tool. They assess your problem solving skills and they put you into a live scenario. Finally, after all this, usually you'll meet with the team. This is called a team fit round. So remember, it's a long drawn out process. So even if you get 2 or 3 calls from different companies, it might take time for you to get a job. So keep applying and keep practicing. That is the only way you'll be able to crack your job. The next point to keep in mind is in Germany, generally, the visa rules are not so complicated even for non Europeans. As an Indian, you can apply to a job. If you get a job and if you have a necessary qualification and a salary above certain threshold, you can easily get the visa. You can go to the local embassy in your city and probably it will take like 4 or 5 weeks to get the visa max. So it's not a difficult process like the US where you need to win a lottery, you need a lot of approvals. As long as you're good and a company is willing to hire you, it is not a complicated process. On top of this, remember that some companies in Berlin, especially startups like Zalando, Delivery Hero, Wayfair, these kind of companies definitely are willing to give visas even to non-Europeans if you have the skills. So focus on these companies, particularly startups in Berlin. If you're good enough, it's not difficult to get the visa. It's more difficult to get the job actually. Finally, to wind up, remember that team fit round I was talking about, the final round. It is important. I've seen a lot of people crack the HR round, even the manager and the technical round, but in the team fit round, they got eliminated. And the team fit round will be general questions like your hobbies, interests, how you are as a person, how you deal with certain situations. So they observe a lot in this round. Usually, the full team also can come and sit in this round. So treat that with equal importance because a lot of people clear all the other rounds and keep failing in that final round. You need to show that you are a fit. You need to show that you'll be able to work in an international setup in a different country and all that, right? You need to prove that you have some multicultural experience already. Give that round also very good importance. I hope that you will soon get a job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will start applying to jobs in Germany. In future videos, I'll also go more into these process details. Stay tuned. Thank you.